Welcome back to Health Hive, your go-to source for practical tips on living a healthier life. Today, we're diving into one of the fundamentals of good nutrition: how to build a balanced plate. Whether you're planning your meals at home or eating out, knowing how to balance your plate can make all the difference in nourishing your body and keeping you energized throughout the day. So, what exactly does a balanced plate look like? The key is to include a variety of food groups, making sure you get a good mix of nutrients. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. Step 1. Fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables. These are your nutrient powerhouses packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Aim for a variety of colors to ensure you're getting a range of nutrients. For example, you could pair some leafy greens like spinach or kale with bright-colored veggies like carrots or bell peppers. Don't forget about fruits. They're not just for snacks or desserts, they can be a great addition to your main meals as well. Berries, citrus, apples, or pears add natural sweetness and loads of antioxidants to your plate. Step 2. Include a source of lean protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, and it helps keep you full longer. Good options include chicken, fish, tofu, beans, or eggs. Make sure your portion size is about the size of your palm. That's usually a good guideline for most people. Step 3. Add whole grains. Whole grains provide energy and important nutrients like fiber, B vitamins, and iron. Think brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat pasta, or even a slice of whole grain bread. This should take up about a quarter of your plate. And finally, don't forget about healthy fats. These are essential for absorbing fat-soluble vitamins and keeping your brain and heart healthy. A little goes a long way. Think avocado, nuts, seeds, or a drizzle of olive oil. Just be mindful of portion sizes. And there you have it, a perfectly balanced plate. By including a variety of food groups in the right proportions, you're giving your body the fuel it needs to thrive. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated. With a little planning and some basic knowledge, you can create meals that are both nutritious and delicious. So, what's on your plate today? Share your ideas and favorite balanced meals in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Health Hive for more simple and practical tips to help you live your healthiest life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.